So I'm at the candy store. They usually have everything. So I came for the hot nuggets. They got all the candy you can think of. More candy on this side. Okay, so I don't see the chips up here. So I'll keep going. Some food. So I'm gonna get those. And I'll get some. Got some strawberries. We got like airheads. This is like a wholesale place. All types of shit. Quick question. Well, I know I used to come in.
That's too slow of a question. What's a quicker question?
Y'all guys have hot nuggets?
I'm listening to both of you. The answer is
She was first, so I'm gonna let her go and say her
Question.
chips.
$21.98 for the 50 piece.
all chips the same price.
Okay.
You got hot nuggets or no?
I don't sell them.
You don't sell them no
Not
more?
yet. I saw the truck going down the street today, so I took a picture of the
Oh
truck.
my gosh,
haven't
yes.
seen
When
these
I was
guys
younger,
in
I used to
town
come
in a
here. I
while.
used to always get those. Y'all used to have like the cases of them. Okay. Alright, so they don't have the chips that I came here for. But oh, I do want some dollars. You know, yeah, I got braces. I'm about to start my kids a candy business for real. For real, for real. I want some lemonade. They don't got the lemonade. watermelon. Okay. Alright, I think that's it. I'm just going to get those little 4 items. I'm gonna get one more bag of fruits. To call it a day. But yeah, I love this place. So if you're ever in Michigan, come to Janko on Greenfield. Let's check out. Right now I'm getting chili fries, but this is my hair. It's very cute and long, how I want it. It's very long. I really wanted some small ones so that they will last longer. And the Africans did an amazing job. Y'all, it only took them. I got there at 9:30. I left out like at 1. It kind of took them longer because they gotta cut it. They'll cut they cut each individual braids, and then they don't braid it all the way down as they're braiding. So then that's another thing that took a little bit longer, but overall, real cute. And she didn't hurt my head at all. At all. My head did not hurt at all. She was very soft. We had a very good conversation. And y'all, the African braiding places, they played like the best movies ever. Like, I was enjoying their little movies. So I wanted to ask them what was the name of it, because I was watching it on YouTube and I wanted to watch some more of them. Even though I couldn't really understand what they were saying, but I understood a little bit, but you could turn a little captions on. But I really enjoyed that. Taking the kids. Thank you. So I got my chili fries. So I'm taking the kids to go see Flash later on today. So yeah, that's gonna be exciting. Oh, I have something in my mouth like some hair. But I'm about to go home and eat. Yeah, I'm gonna go home and eat and chill until later on tonight. Ooh, chili fries smell good. Go home and watch some jazz in them and some reactions to see what's going on. But I will see you guys in the next clip. It's not gonna be me at home showing y'all my food and how it looks. But I hope I don't hit this garbage can. Cause this is a little tight, y'all. This little Coney Island got the tightest little parking spot ever. And then like they what's the name? Drive through is even tighter. Oh, they're turning. It's even tighter, so but I'm like 5 minutes from home. So I will see y'all when I get home. I'm gonna close the video out there. If I go anywhere in the meantime, I will add it to this vlog, but if not, You know, the last scene will be the end of the vlog, which is me showing y'all my food. Oh, I almost forgot to tell y'all. I am 15 weeks. I am so happy, y'all. My baby is growing so healthy. She is doing now you motherfucker. She is doing an amazing job. I'm gonna post that video so y'all can see her. She's very active. She's just like her mom. I'm very active person. Y'all, she was in there just bouncing around like she knew we was looking at her or something, because she put on a show. Like, we seen her hands, we seen her feet, we seen her legs. It was just amazing. She was definitely kicking me. I wasn't able to feel the kicks just yet, but trust me, I don't want to feel them, because the way she was kicking, baby, I think I'm being, what's that called? A world of awakening, because she had some feet on her to be kicking like that. Like, she was literally kicking like boom, boom. But I'm gonna let y'all see it. Oh, they got some food trucks going on over here. But I'm gonna let y'all see it and whatnot. And I'm gonna keep going because damn, I should have turned down that block. I ain't gonna make this like everybody wanna turn slow. Fuck! I hate when I usually turn down a block so I can beat the light. Okay, hold on. We in this thing like a chicken wing. We beat the odds. We made the light. You know, it's so much stuff going on. So many pop-up shops. It's just so much. Like, and it's like a whole bunch of traffic. And you know, we got this little movie theater right here. It's like, it be packed. They show like black and white movies and whatnot. But yeah, so I'm 15 weeks. I got 2 more weeks and then I will be 5 months. I'll be so excited, and I'm in my second trimester now. So I have like the couple more weeks to finish this second trimester off, and I'll be in my third trimester. I got another appointment on the 21st. That's gonna be my 3D ultrasound, where I get to see the baby full face and things in that sort. They wanted me to get that done at 18 to 21 weeks, but they didn't have no appointment time at that time, so I have to go. At that time, I'll be like 16 weeks. So hopefully my doctor is okay with that and I don't have to reschedule it, but hopefully we're able to see what we need to see. And then I gotta go back for my glucose test a couple weeks after that. But I am heading down the block, about to pull in. Oh, good. Somebody moved that branch, because baby, oh man, I really am home alone. Everybody's gone. They're gone. So I will see y'all when I get in the house. So I'm back. I'm going to show y'all my food. I only go to certain Coney Islands because I do not like the thick fries. I like real skinny fries. But this is how it looks. I like it with ketchup and ranch. See how like these fries are? So I'm about to watch Keanu J. She's pranking. Let me see. What is the YouTube video today? So it's walking around in a towel in front of Flo. Tia gets probably mad or upset. So I'm about to eat that. Jesus. I'm about to watch that, eat that, and I will see you guys in another video. Thank you so much for subscribing. Thank you so much for tuning in. Make sure you like all my videos, share them, comment. the whole 9 yard. But yeah, it's a little bit of a, maybe be a little bit of a long video, but watch it fully through. And I thank you guys for tuning in. Like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you can be notified every time I drop or post a video. I'm thinking about going live one day on my YouTube and see how that goes. I never went live on there. I like to taste the ranch before I put it on there because sometimes they ranch be a little bit of a hit or miss, but I'm gonna put a little bit on there, not too much. It gives me, it tastes like it's a good, like it tastes like it's on a salad or something. Give me that salad taste. But all right, y'all. See y'all in the next video. Peace.